Hi, I'm Christine Thompson. I'm at Spoke & Wheel, Los Angeles, and I'm here to talk about how to use K18 at home. So you want to make sure you shampoo first, you don't use conditioner, and you towel dry really well. So I don't use conditioner because a lot of times they contain silicones, which will block the K18 from entering into the hair and doing its job. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the K18. I'm going to use a pump, emulsify it in my hands, and then I usually kind of start the mid-length to the ends and just work it through my hair. I like to distribute it actually with my fingers through, just kind of raking through with my hands. And I have really fine hair, so a lot of times things can be heavy, but I find it's really not. And I'm not even worried about working it through up here, actually. I use, on the reg, I use about a pump, because that, for my hair, is about the right amount. As you can see, I don't have a ton of hair. So one thing I love about K18 is it actually saves me time. I don't have to condition my hair in the shower and leave it in and then rinse it out. I have no conditioner. So I just get out of the shower, I apply it, and then I just wait the 4 minutes, and then my hair's ready to put styling aids in and go. So now that the 4 minutes is done, I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair. So I just finished drying my hair with the K18 in it, and it feels really, really soft, smooth. It feels like silk, and it also doesn't feel heavy, which I love. How light it feels in my hair and just strong. So because my hair has been extremely lightened, I do like to use something in my hair. I like to have product in my hair, but unfortunately, a lot of times it just weighs my hair down and it becomes flat and it just gets dirty looking quick. So what I love about the K18 is it actually leaves my hair feeling really smooth, but it feels light and it still has movement. So I've been using the K18 for about 9 months in my hair, and it's recommended that you use it about after you've colored your hair for the next 4 to 6 shampoos. But what I found is I loved the K18 so much in my hair, when I stopped using it and went to my every other week, I actually missed it. So I actually use it about every other shampoo. So I always use products when I'm testing, first on myself to see how they work, and then if I love them, then I end up using them on my guests. And so that's kind of was the evolution with the K18. So it's hairdresser approved and client safe.